Well, welcome back, everyone. It was another exciting day in markets. September is proving to be a wonderfully tradable month so far, as it has promised in the past. I got to do some live trading again today. As you can see over there on the chart, I was able to gross just a little over $1,000 using tools that come with wealth charts. The Champion Trend Pack was instrumental in identifying the moments where you had these confluence of signals coming together, giving me an opportunity to make a higher probability trading decision. So you can see us moving from that red opaque zone, that's the Champion Cross sell zone, and you can see the corresponding sell signal bar at the bottom. We then transitioned into a buy zone, couple of hiccups, but still had the Champion Trend negativity or sell zone on top of us. As the Champion Cross buy zone started to expand, proliferate, we ended up getting wealth signal, and then we ended up getting a range breaker and breakout forecaster, and boom, up and away price did go. I was able to do some long side trading over there, and it worked out fairly well. Now, if you go to the live screen, and again, all trading is at the independent trader's risk. Past performance is not an indication and guarantee of future results. Can't tell you that I'm going to do this all the time. Can tell you that when I follow the rules and make sure I get the emotions out of the way and focus on what the signal has to say, I tend to make better trading decisions. Now, as you know, listening to Rob and all of his teaching, it's Rob who developed these tools. They come with wealth charts as a native part exclusive to wealth charts. And these tools work very, very well in concert with others. And of course, have sequences of signals that are just incredible. I'm going to zoom you over to my live chart right now, so you can have a quick look-see at what I'm talking about. So over here is that 5-minute time frame chart on the S&P E-minis. And I was day trading today looking for long side signals. Now we got out of the sell zone officially right there. However, there was still more resistance on top of us, and the Champion Trend sell zone was still in play. Now this big pop-up that we got was something that many traders were looking at and going, hey, at what point in the move do I have a higher probability of this working out? Well, the unique and extraordinary part of the Champion Trend Pack, which again is a Wealth Chart member exclusive, is that the sequence of signals can come in many ways, but one of the key ways is you get the Champion Cross, you get the Champion Trend, you have wealth signal in play. You can also have the range breaker, but that breakout forecaster comes in, the sequence is complete, and blast off is likely, it's not guaranteed. Now, as you can see on my live ticking away dome over here, I was able to gross over $1,000 on day trades, and in certain cases with multiple contracts, not more than 5, obviously, and the day was a day of opportunity to identify key levels into a major data point tomorrow. So the way we ended the day today, overall as a market, not very positive. However, not negative enough to break remaining supports, as you can see here from the visual trend channel. No clear buy signals, more negativity than not on the chart itself, but not enough to have broken the market down. The market is waiting for that inflation data tomorrow, as am I, looking to put money to work as that data breaks, and looking forward to showing you the techniques that I'm using on these incredible tools exclusive to Wealth Charts at the upcoming Wealth 365 Summit. So let me take you there right now. I'm super excited about the summit, as we are going to be making some big announcements and have an incredible lineup of speakers that, frankly, your feedback has helped us curate to make sure that it is on point and delivered to you in a way that is useful, that you can make use of right away. 26 days and 16 hours. Go to joinziad.com. Get your seat for the summit. You're going to hear from Rob multiple times, myself multiple times. Have a wonderful evening. I look very much forward to seeing you at the summit and in upcoming videos. Bye for now.